All right, class, good morning on this beautiful Monday morning as we're getting ready for Module 6, Lesson 9. Okay, this is just a step up from what we were talking about all of last week in place value, and so now we're going to take what we know about place value and just use that to write or represent numbers. Now you can see, hopefully here, right above where my mouse is, that we're going to write and represent numbers up to 120. Okay, so we're going to, or you're going to look at objects up to that number and be able to write that in a place value chart, potentially a number sentence as well. Let's go ahead and take a look. Okay, now that I say that, don't worry about the number sentence. I don't believe that is the case today, but on each problem here you'll see pictures. Again, it will not go bigger than 120. Now that being said, okay, remember that the groups will go in the tens place. Okay, now we could have as many as 12 tens. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, that would get me 12 in the tens place, and then if I didn't have any cubes, there we go, 120. There's my number. Okay, so when you're looking at the groups of 10, remember you won't have any more than 12 bags or bottles or bundles, whatever there are here, but count those, put them in the tens place, and then your leftovers or your ones, put those in the correct place, and then you'll put the number just out here in the blank without being in the place value chart. Okay, there's the front side of what you're doing. On the back side, we'll be dealing with base 10 blocks. Okay, I will add the link for the virtual or the online base 10 blocks using this site that I was just using if you'd like to build and count with these base 10 blocks. Good luck with Module 6, Lesson 9.